I think I messed up. I forgot to tell you about the most amazing chai recipe ever. Start by boiling 1.5 cups of water in a saucepan. Toss in 3 cardamom pods, a small cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, a piece of fresh ginger, and 2 black peppercorns if you want a little kick. Let these spices dance in the boiling water for 2-3 minutes. Next, add 2 teaspoons of loose black tea leaves or 2 tea bags. Let that steep with the spices for another 2-3 minutes. Now it's time for the milk. Pour in 1 cup of your favorite milk and bring it to a gentle boil, then simmer for 2-3 minutes. Sweeten your chai with 1-2 teaspoons of sugar, or more if you like it sweeter. Stir well to dissolve the sugar. Finally, strain your aromatic masala chai into cups and serve hot. Enjoy your cozy, flavorful chai with some biscuits or snacks. Customize your chai by adjusting the spices to make it perfect for you. Happy tea time!